Hello guys, let's take a look at this Konnwei KW903 Bluetooth OBDII. I got this package. Inside this package we've got OBDII adapter and these discs. Actually it's kind of useless because on this disc we got no software, we got only PDF manuals, that's it, which are actually doubling these user instructional manuals, so I don't know why they put the disc inside. So actually it's a good material, soft to touch, nice rubber surface, it's good enough. It's not big, it's compact, so that's the good part of this product. Actually I've used it on my car and there is a lot of problems with this OBDII adapter. In the product description, as I wrote, there is a Wi-Fi support. So it's a lie, there is no Wi-Fi support here. There is only Bluetooth support. So actually to use this OBDII adapter we need to install the application from the Konnwei, and it is the only one way you can use this adapter, because with the other products like Torque or something like Torque products, good applications for car diagnostic, you cannot use this OBDII adapter because the only software that can see this adapter is the Konnwei program from this manufacturer of this adapter. So it's a kind of really it's not good, because we are hard linked to the only one application, and this application is really need to be better, let's say that. So another problem of this OBDII adapter, that I've tried to install this application on free Android devices, and on all three those devices I could not connect to this OBDII adapter. So when I've installed on iOS system, the only way I could use this OBDII adapter, then when I installed Konnwei software on my iPhone, and only in this case I could connect to this adapter and took some data. Let's say that not bad interface, it's good enough, a lot of information and so on, but there is problems in this product description, and when you are waiting from this product to be as described, it supports some Wi-Fi, for example, future, some different applications future, you cannot do that. So it's a kind of bad description, it's a lie inside this description, and I can't recommend this product. The only way you should buy this product if you want to use it on iOS with this Konnwei application. It's not bad, but it's not good enough, because there are a lot of applications that are better, and you cannot use this OBDII adapter. So decide yourself, guys, but I strongly do not recommend this product. Bye bye, have a nice day.